Guys, so back for our next unboxing. This one here from Samuel Winsdor, right, from their Prestige collection. On the website, they have the Classic collection and the Prestige. I did some research, saw that you get better leather when you buy from the Prestige collection. And they have good deals. But before we get into that, let's just get into the presentation. So, nice green box. It also comes with the sizing, as you saw before, and the date the shoe was made. It's a nice touch, right? The US sizing is going to be half size better than the UK sizing, so look out for that. Alright, so getting into the box, right, you have all this wrapping going on here, which is okay. Right, it's a nice touch. They give you some laces here, right, and with those laces you have a backup. You just put that over there. You also get a shoe horn, right, to help protect the shoe. For all who don't know, you don't want to be breaking on the back of the shoe. So it's a plastic shoe horn, not like in the Anthony Bear video with the brass one, but this will definitely do the work. It's dense enough, it will get your foot into the shoe, right? Now to the main event. So these guys, they pride themselves on making handmade shoes, right? So here's a foot of the shoe. Oh, and also saw this in here. Nice little touch. Right. It's like a cardboard thing. Handmade Italian shoes and boots from the Prestige collection from Samuel Winsdor. And they have some care instructions on the inside. You can pause and read if you want. Right. And what's this? Yeah. So they're telling you, yeah, this message is self-explanatory. Basically, if you get the shoes, the one with the leather bottoms, then you don't want to be testing them and mess up the leather bottoms and like asphalt or anything like that. But what I did, because of my climate, it's more tropical here down in Florida. I got the rubber, right? I don't want rain to be interfering with the leather, and it's more durable in my opinion. What I like about this is that you have like a built-in shoe tap here, so it's supposed to reduce the way how the heel goes down, and you also have the nails to show that handmade crafting quality, right? Now just an overview of the shoe, right? Just going around, right? It seems pretty nice, right? They have their own coating on it, like they pre-polished it from the factory, but I'll hit it with some saddle soap and maybe some sapphire innovator before the saddle soap later on to get a good shine out of it and nourish the leather and give it a nice high shine. Right? So, anything else in the box? No, just my information. I don't want anyone else to see. Alright, so let me just take out the next foot of the pair. The box to the side. So there you go. And just give you a 360. And let's see on the inside it says Samuel Winsdor. Alright, so I'll have a follow-up review coming soon, but for now, that's my unboxing of the Samuel Winsdor shoe. The cap toe Oxfords in black, and yes, I wore them once. I couldn't resist. Alright guys, so until next time, thanks for watching.